Solomon, and this is a little Angry Birds set. I'm going to show you about baby. Grandpa's home.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm doing a little Angry Bird set. I just got this today.
You got an Angry Bird set
Yeah.
today?
Oh, no.
Did you go shopping?
Yeah.
You did?
Hey, Grandpa, I got some other parts over here, but there's some more parts over there.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Doing the set. Kind of hard to do it. I'm just doing a little talking video, but no talking. I'm doing a little video
So
that
I
I
don't
can
get
really
to talk?
No. What?
Okay.
We don't get to talk.
All right, well, that's fine.
I'm the videographer. I'm not allowed to talk either. You're fine.
Oh, sorry. But you're a bad guy. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Go. I have to fight Darth Vader. Okay. Medieval. This is only one is me. And R2-D2. We have to do is get it. That was easy. Okay. Now? Are you really thinking? Me too. We have to get our friend back. No, he's dead. Let's go.
Hey, Solomon, finish it.
Oh no! Bleh. Bleh. R2-D2's dead.
The end?
No? This is one more. Busy.
Who's the winner?